Silicon Valley is the hub of all things technology. With multi-billion-dollar companies like Apple, Google, and Facebook, Silicon Valley has become the epicenter of an entrepreneurial environment with tons of opportunities for growth. With an already established infrastructure and a large talent resource pool, Silicon Valley has been the center of the tech universe, attracting millions of people into the area if they want to get ahead in the game. But over the years, tech giants have started making the move to Texas, which is predicted to become the world's new technology hub. In this video, we're going to give you a roundup of how Texas is the new Silicon Valley. Recently, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, Elon Musk, announced that he had moved to Texas, which led to people speculating about the future of his companies. The reason behind this big move was the fact that his companies were already doing pretty well in Texas, which is why Elon Musk decided to build a $1.1 billion assembly factory in Austin, along with a SpaceX launch facility in South Texas. Musk also relocated the Musk Foundation to Austin, which just goes to show how serious he is about the move. If that wasn't enough, Elon Musk made it obvious that Austin was going to be his new entrepreneurial hub when Tesla announced that the company would build a $1.1 billion Austin area manufacturing facility, where the company will produce its Cybertruck, Semi, Model 3 compact sedan, and Model Y vehicles. After that, many companies like Oracle also shifted their headquarters from Silicon Valley to Austin. The primary reason behind Oracle's shift was the fact that because of recent public health challenges, Oracle managed to retain all of its workers through remote working, which made the move easier and allowed people to keep working regardless of whether they were in Silicon Valley or in Texas. What is driving all these companies to the Lone Star State? One of the main reasons behind this shift is the fact that Texas is just cheaper to operate in. As rich as these companies are, Texas offers them tax benefits that Silicon Valley doesn't. Texas offers these tech giants no corporate income tax and no sales tax on data centers, software, and computing equipment, and no tax on labor for constructing these facilities, making the move a pretty good deal. The state of Texas has also realized its potential to become the next hub of technology and has started offering companies incentives for setting up their headquarters there. These include a deal-closing grant that awards money to businesses choosing Texas, along with an award of up to $750,000 for business real estate development, and tax breaks for businesses relocating to the state. All of this has, of course, resulted in a number of companies being attracted to Texas as their new location. While Silicon Valley charges businesses millions in tax, Texas has proven that it values job creation over wealth creation, which is why the state imposes less regulation on local businesses, which helps these companies and businesses focus on their growth and their business instead of regulation. Since the 1970s, Austin in particular has established itself as a technologically progressive area. However, that wasn't enough for the city to compete with Silicon Valley and the massive influx of startups that were growing their operations in the Bay Area. But with time, especially because of California's hostility to businesses, housing prices, and state taxes, venture capitalists, engineers, and giant tech employers are slowly making their way into Texas. Texas already has an emerging tech scene and a well-experienced talent pool graduating from some of the state's top schools, like University of Texas, Texas A&M, Rice, and University of Houston. About 47% of the city's working population has a bachelor's degree, thanks to the 25 colleges and universities in the area. Considering all this, Texas really does have potential to become, or even take over, Silicon Valley as the center of all technological innovation. In fact, the cluster of big and small companies that have opened their headquarters in Austin are now nicknamed Silicon Hills, referring to the area's hills and, of course, its similarity to the original Silicon Valley. Not just Austin, but Houston is also home to tons of tech startups, especially in the field of medicine. Similar to Austin, Houston is a relatively low-cost area to lay the foundations of any company, which is why entrepreneurs prefer the area over Silicon Valley with all its expenses. In fact, 26 companies headquartered in Houston were featured in the esteemed Fortune 500 list, all the way back in 2015. This included companies in industries as far-ranging as energy, automotive, engineering, manufacturing, environmental services, and logistics. Aside from tax, Texas also offers less expensive housing, childcare, food, and pretty much everything else. At the same time, the Bay Area, where Silicon Valley is located, is way too expensive for many startups. Companies also want to move to Texas for the culture, specifically Austin, where the metro area has been the nation's fastest growing for the past 8 years, with every major tech company imaginable, from Apple to Google and Cisco to Intel located here. Austin is also politically progressive, with a great culture, great weather, and an excellent community of entrepreneurs and academics, which is pretty much everything you need for a growing technological hub. With all of that said, while the Silicon Hills in Texas have the potential to turn into something as great as Silicon Valley, the state still has a long way to go before it claims monopoly over the world of tech. Because of all the benefits Texas has over Silicon Valley and California, it won't be a surprise if Texas really does take over as America's technological capital in the span of a few years. Despite having a stable and growing tech community, Texas often had to take a back seat, letting Silicon Valley hold the crown for quite a while. But in recent times, it's pretty evident that all big corporations want to move to Texas, where everything is cheaper and more convenient, and it's a place with a pro-business climate. In 2019, for example, 1,800 companies left California. Most went to Texas. This has been paralleled by population shifts, with a net shift of 42,500 leaving California for Texas. Silicon Hills is the tech epicenter of Texas, with about 5,500 startups and tech companies in the area, and the number is only going up with time. This large influx of population and enterprises in Texas has us all believing that we're right at the cusp of a technological revolution, and Texas will be the center of it all.